In today's video, I'll show you how you can search on Suno AI. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into the search section on the left menu. Once you click on that, you'll now be prompted in here. Now you want to put in the keyword that you'd want to use on your search. Let's say that I would want to put in bird. And from here, I will now be able to see the results in here in terms of songs. So all of these are songs about a bird right here. And you could also go for creators so that you'd be able to see the creators with the keyword bird in its name right here. So as you can see, all of them have a bird on their title or names right here. So that's how you can do that. And then you could also go for a playlist if you'd want to go for your keyword related playlist and your genres. So that's how you can search here if you would want to search on a larger scale. However, if you just want to search on your own library, you can go here into library or create, wherein you can see everything that you have made in Suno. And from here, you can click here on search and then just search for your song. Let's say I'm going to go for a sample. And as you can see, I am now seeing this song right here, which is the sample title that I have made. And that's how you could do a simple search in here. You could also use the filters if you would want right here, if you have a lot of songs and need to narrow down your results. And that's how you can search on Suno AI.